쓴 거야, 씨. 아이씨.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
추워. cold.
Oh, you're cold? I can get you a blanket.
warm blanket, 응? Please.
Here you go.
덮여줘, 응?
Of course.
내 발도, 발.
Of course.
So sorry. one more blanket, please.
Of course, ma'am. Here you go.
물, water.
Of course, ma'am. Here you go.
No, hot water.
Of course, ma'am. Here you go.
Please call my daughter.
I'm so sorry, ma'am, but I really have to go.
개새끼.
뭐라 그랬어요? All right, what do we got? 23-year-old male, A&O times 4, presenting with rectal pain. He's got a toilet bowl brush stuck up his rectum, sir. How? Apparently, he was sitting on the toilet, constipated, sir. That's when he noticed the toilet bowl brush nearby. Decided to stick the handle up there to scoop out some of the poop. And what, now it's stuck? Yes, sir. The end of the handle was curved. Now it's snagged up in his, well, you know. Alright, sounds good. You need a signature? Hey, Rich, what are you doing? Waiting for Stacy to break me. Stacy? Stacy. I didn't even see her here today. She's wearing gray today. Can you help me put a Foley in my guy before you go? Sure. What's his deal? He got into a car accident. Gotta take him up for a head CT. Foley first. Sounds good. You need me to grab anything? Nah, I got everything in there. Just need help taking his pants off. His boyfriend's a little emotional, so be gentle. I'm always gentle. Hi, Mr. Patron. This is my colleague, Rich. He's gonna help me get a catheter in James, okay? Hey. Do you want to get on the other side? Right. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, Austin, get in here. We need help. Be right there. What's up? Whoa. Who do you think's pitching? Definitely James. Just one more question and we're gonna bring you back, okay? Are you having any thoughts of hurting yourself? Yes. I was actually talking to the patient, Austin. What? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. He's new. We're orienting. Dude, what was that? Sorry. It's been a rough couple days. What happened? Well, yesterday a doctor yelled at me for being too slow. This morning I didn't have any help, so I had to walk my 90-year-old to the bathroom so he could pee. I waited in there for like 20 minutes with him. He didn't pee. Just kept farting. That sounds pretty normal. On the way back, he peed all over the floors. Some of it got on me. Is that what that is? Did you bring lunch today? Dude, go change. I'll cover your patients. What the fuck? Yo, Austin is gonna break. Yeah, that makes sense. What should we do? Nothing. Let him swim. He's fine. What's that smell? Oh, be careful. Someone peed on me. Ew, what the fuck? Tips from the ER. Texas, abortions. Move aside, Florida. Texas has officially taken over as the most outrageous place in the country. And it's not because their state motto is friendship, which it totally is, but because they have just banned abortions if you are more than 6 weeks pregnant. First of all, who the fuck can tell if they're pregnant after just 6 weeks? I've seen women come into the ER 40 weeks in, damn near ready to give birth, and neither one of us could tell that she was pregnant. You motherfuckers want to cut them off at 6 weeks? At this rate, women will have to make an abortion appointment every 5 weeks just to make sure they don't need one. Even President Joe Biden managed to wake up from his 5th nap of the day and shake off the dementia just to tell Texas, guys, this is too much. All you my body, my choice people better get to protesting. You motherfuckers thought asking you to get a vaccine was bad. This has got to be one of the worst violations of your right to choice we've ever seen. And it is not going to end well. If this keeps up, Texas will have to change their state motto from friendship to coat hanger. Hi, Mr. Hennessy. Your test results are back. What's the diagnosis? What's your zodiac sign? Cancer. Shut the fuck up. What a coincidence. Hey.
M-I-A-M-I, running out of time. We gotta go, 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 we gotta go.
Okay, Mr. Malibu, the doctor will be in to see you shortly, okay? Wait, my man, my girlfriend is in the waiting room. Can she come back to see me? Her name is Abigail. Of course. My wife is also on the way to see me. If you see her, can you tell her I'm not here? Why wouldn't you want her to know you're here? She doesn't know about my girlfriend. I don't want them to meet. I see. And what do you expect me to tell her? Just tell her I'm not here. Or tell her you transferred me or something. You know, make something up. What does your wife look like? Is she about 5'2", blonde, curly hair, wears glasses, talks too much? Got it. I'll let her know you're not here. Solid. Thank you, brother. No problem, brother. Hey, Austin, if Miss Malibu shows up, 5'2", blonde, curly hair, wears glasses, just send her straight back to Mr. Malibu's room, okay? He's expecting her. Got it. Cool. Abigail? Follow me, please. Oh, crap. What? My ex is here. It's Stacy. Which Stacy? Crazy Stacy or boring Stacy? Crazy Stacy. Ooh, crazy Stacy. You really need to stop dating girls named Stacy. She's checking in. Don't look. Whoa, that's Crazy Stacy? She's actually hot. Why are you surprised that she's actually hot? I think I would put up with Crazy Stacy. How crazy was Crazy Stacy? Stop saying Crazy Stacy. She'll hear us. I can't treat her. I haven't seen her since I dumped her. You dumped her? Yes? Deal with her. I'll get you a beer. All right. Wait. What? Let me know if there's anything I should be worried about. You know, pregnancies, STDs, that sort of thing. Sure thing. Hi, ma'am. My name is Rich. Before we get started, can I ask you a question? Sure. What's the name of those sea creatures with really big claws? Crabs? I'm sorry, can you say that a bit louder? Crabs! Perfect. Ben. What? Did you see Austin? The guy just finished his first ever night shift. He looks super tired. There he is. What's up, Austin? Hey, guys. Hey, Austin, your relief is running a little late. Can you stay for a few more hours? Okay. Wow, he is a broken man. We should totally mess with him. Rich, we are professional nurses. We do not play around. What'd you have in mind? We put apple juice in a urinal, drink it, pretending that it's pee. Classic. Here he is. Hey, Austin. Guys, I need to speak to you. 1 second. I just need a quick sip of something. What are you doing? Oh, what? I was gonna tell you, I got my patient's urinals mixed up with yours. I'm so sorry, I'm really tired. Okay, sir, my name is Ben. Can you explain to me what brought you into the ER today? My house was in a mess, so I needed to use the vacuum cleaner. So while I was vacuuming, I started to, build up a sweat. Okay. I turned on the AC, I opened up the windows, yet it was still incredibly warm. Okay. So I decided, of course, to remove some of my clothing. and it was still so hot that I removed the entirety of my clothing. You were naked using the vacuum cleaner? Yeah, right. So, I got so tired from all the vacuuming that I decided to take a nap. You went to bed? Well, I was so tired that I thought instead of going all the way up to bed, I could just sleep on the couch. Even better, sleep on the floor. The floor. Yeah, so, I was sleeping naked on the floor next to the vacuum cleaner, but it was still on. Was the vacuum cleaner not making a lot of noise? Were you able to sleep with it on? Well, it's one of those silent vacuum cleaners. You should get one. They're amazing. So what happened next? Well, I was moving around while I slept, and then suddenly my genitals accidentally slipped into the vacuum cleaner. And that's why they're there now. Huh. Okay. Well, the doctor will see you soon. Thanks. It's good to see you again.